Today we want to take a look back at what an eventful year 2025 has been. This channel started the year with a bit more than 50,000 subscribers and intensive coverage of the Dakar Rally, when suddenly, within minutes, the channel was hacked. A crypto promotion livestream took over and fans from all over the world reached out to me on all channels trying to help, which was quite overwhelming. It took almost a week to get everything back and revert the channel to what it has been. And then it was a fresh start into the last F1 ground effect season. It was clear that McLaren would be strong and Red Bull needed to sort out their internal trouble first. In the meantime, I explained more general car design features and people loved these videos, so you can expect more of that. I continued the Phaeton video series explaining all fascinating details of this very special car. And these videos were very popular, although I drive this car for years already and always thought people wouldn't be interested. But especially on this channel, you will get all geeky details. And while doing this Phaeton video series, my Phaeton had 3 big issues, which I could fix for very little money, and this created even more interesting content. In the meantime, in F1, McLaren got a huge tire advantage, because unlike all other cars, the McLarens could keep their tires in the perfect temperature window, instead of overheating them. I gave a general description of the effect, but people wanted to hear a specific technical solution. So I gave you my theory about the inclusion of phase change material into the wheel assembly, which is something I coincidentally worked on during my visit at McLaren a couple of years ago, in a different department and for a different application, but the effects are the same. The video went viral. I got interview requests from all sides, other channels copied my slides or even the whole video, and magazines even wrote articles about me. I was visiting the Northwest 200 in Northern Ireland at that time and was trying to manage from there without any equipment. The channel was growing rapidly, and at home I brought the Lupo 3L back on the road, and it has been my daily friend for the rest of the year and revolutionizing my mobility costs, because it cost me as much as my 50cc moped in fuel. At the same time, I started the Quattro video series because there are a lot of people claiming to have invented Quattro, and I wanted to give you the full story, which actually goes back to the old Auto Union days in the 1930s. So I bought books, researched and visited museums, and the series still continues to this day, and we will cover every detail. Another project at home was the restoration of my EFR/DKW F9, which now looks like I wanted it and now I need to get it back running. I visited the 24 hours at the Nürburgring and moved to my new headquarters with Zeppelin design office and my own heated workshop inside the building, while I also built a garage outside. In summer I traveled to China and had the chance to visit car manufacturers there and experience the high-speed train service firsthand. After the trip I had to work through my list of China topics because there is so much interesting engineering Western countries don't hear about. The channel covered important car people like bright and dark side of the legendary BMW designer Klaus Luthe, and we continued the Ferdinand Porsche video series, which gives you a lot more details than you have ever heard somewhere else. While doing so, I was a guest lecturer again at different universities in Germany for race car design. And now, at the end of the year, we see lots of talking points coming our direction with the new 2026 F1 regulations, which are written in a different style than previously. We read and design the regulations together, and I show you how an F1 engineer is approaching them and how you can design around them. At the same time, we started the CFD video series, which explains basic aerodynamic effects to everyone, even if you don't have previous aero knowledge. And if you want a wind tunnel on your desk, I have a solution in the description for you as well. And now, at the end of the year, we are just before 100,000 subscribers, so the channel almost doubled this year. It has been an amazing ride, and I promised you that something special will come with the 100k mark. So stay tuned for more and there will be news soon. And if you want to support the channel, you can become a Bsport club member for early access and exclusive time with me in live streams, which we also established this year. So I want to thank everyone for the support. I wish everyone a happy new year and see you next time.